tapbacks because they're high bang for the buck. So if you're doing an overhand, I'm gonna face sideways, you can see what I'm doing with my leg. If you're doing an overhand, you can lift your leg, whichever one, and then tap and change direction. And then tap and change direction. You just have to be careful when you tap that you tap them in separated places so they don't tangle around each other. So I'm here like this. I'm gonna lift my leg and I'm gonna tap with both poi. And then you come into underhand, then I'm gonna tap with both poi to overhand. Shoot for just the tip. Well, what I mean by that is you want your arms further from the leg as opposed to closer into the leg, because when the arms are closer into the leg, more of the poi wraps around the leg. Yes, exactly. Just the tip, just for a second, just to see how it feels. An infinite combination is something where you can start at any point in it and it will cycle through the whole thing back to the beginning. It infinitely recycles. Start and end anywhere in the combo. Right, so you could start it with the double tap and then boom, you're in the boom, in the boom. And then this is me taking out the butterfly in the middle. So you could do it either way, where you either have the butterfly in the middle or you just go tap to tap, to tap, to tap, to tap. And you could build up where you start out like this, bum, bum, a little thread the needle action, tap, underhand, a little thread the needle action, boom, a little thread the needle action, boom, a little thread the needle action. Okay, a thread the needle is a butterfly movement where you're taking one poi and putting it, you're switching which hand's on top.